Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It is 8:11 here, and we are having some heavy rainfall right now. We're under flooding watch, etc., severe storms, all of the above. Of course, we are having lightning. This storm is just moving in. You see, it's accompanied by wind and heavy rain. I don't think you can hear it. Perhaps you can. Probably hear some of the thunder. This is Friday, the 26th of May. We definitely need the rain, although this downpour is a little excessive for our needs right now. Hopefully it will be able to soak in without an enormous amount of runoff. I welcome the rain. It's very, very dark. You'd think this was twilight. So I am assuming that is due to very heavy cloud cover. Would that be what? Thick clouds, deep clouds, however they call it. I'm not a meteorologist. Well, I can't even talk this morning. That's all right. It's still a wonderful day. We certainly need the rain. We'll not complain about that. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Make the best of it. Enjoy your life. Enjoy it one moment at a time, because it passes by quickly. The rain is very needed. Everyone have a wonderful day and a great weekend. This Memorial weekend is coming up. Remember those who have gave their lives for our freedom. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.